Okay, once you have these warm-ups completed, all the way done, because they're really going to help you know what you're doing, and these notes finished, and make sure you were minds on when you did them, so you know what you're doing. These notes caught up, again, make sure you think and that your mind's on, so you're understanding what it's trying to teach you. Then you watched the video for the Pendulum brainstorming page and completed the Pendulum brainstorming page. So this has to be done. Make sure you watch the video to know what to do and how to do it. Then you're going to use the pink chunk to set up this pink section on your lab assessment. You need to complete the top part. This investigation is all about string length, so you're completing the top part about that, and then you're going to define what you're using for each of these parameters. Remember, the only thing that's going to change from one experiment to the next is string length. Everything else has to stay the same because your independent variable is string length. Set it up here, set up your data table, fill in these boxes. Do not get data yet. Make sure you show it to me so I can approve your setup. Then you're going to use the yellow chunk here to do the same thing for your massive Bob investigation, because you're trying to determine which one is more responsible. So you got to run 2 investigations. So use the parameters you decided on here to fill in this part and fill in your data table. Remember, massive Bob is your independent variable, so that's the only thing you're going to change from the top all the way to the bottom is the massive Bob, using the same string length for all. Make sure your string length is at least 20 centimeters. I would go maybe 30. It just makes it easier to collect your data and then get it approved, and then you're ready to collect your data.